Hello everyone and welcome back yet another lecture of SM online class, and today we are going to discuss exercise 12b, number 10, triple I and IB. So let us start. 10 number triple I कहछि कोन, prove by vector method the parallelogram whose diagonals are equal is a rectangle. Okay, now we have draw a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. Okay, let it is origin. Okay, for easy calculation purpose, let it is origin. This is vector. Sorry, this is point A. This is B, and this is C. Okay, here that is same direction. Okay, now it is the diagonal OB vector. Okay, because it is origin, so it is AC vector. Okay, that means this is vector A, this is vector B, and this is vector C. That means position vector of A, B and C are what? Vector A, vector B and vector C. Okay, so here this is vector A and this is AC vector. So this is vector C. So here this is OB vector, the diagonal, and here AC vector, that is what? Vector C minus vector A, and here OB vector, that is vector B. We have to prove that diagonals are equal. If the diagonals of a parallelogram is equal, then we proved it is a rectangle. Okay, then we proved it is a rectangle. That means here OB vector equal to what? AC vector. Diagonals are equal means what? OB vector equal to AC vector. So we have proved that this is a rectangle. That means we need to prove this angle is what? 90 degree. Okay, we need to prove any one angle is what? 90 degree. Okay, so let us start. First लिखि दवा कोन, OABC is a, let OABC is a parallelogram. Let OABC is a parallelogram. Let OABC is a parallelogram. Okay, let O is the origin. Let O is the origin and vector A, vector B and vector C. Okay, vector A, vector B and vector C are position vector of A, B, C respectively. Okay, this is the description, and we need to prove. We have to prove. Okay, we have to prove what? That is OC vector is perpendicular to what? OA vector. OC vector is perpendicular to OA vector. We need to prove OC vector is perpendicular to OA vector. That means OC vector dot OA vector equal to 0 होगा कथा, that is vector c dot vector a equal to 0. Okay, now so this is the description part and हमको कोन पुट करबार अछि जे OC वेक्टर आ OA वेक्टर कोन हेबे परपेंडिकुलर हेबे. Okay, OC vector and OA vector are perpendicular to each other. Now here OA vector equal to CB vector because it is a parallelogram. Okay, here OA vector equal to what? OA vector equal to CB vector, or implies that OA vector, that is vector A, equal to CB vector, that means vector B minus vector C. Okay, vector B minus vector C, or implies that vector B equal to, we get what? Vector C plus vector A. Okay, vector B equal to vector C plus vector A. Let it is equation first. Okay, again here diagonals are same, that is OB vector is most equal to what? AC vector. Okay, OB vector is equal to what? AC vector, or implies that is vector B equal to, okay, OB vector, that means position vector of B, that is vector B equal to AC vector, that is vector C minus vector A. Okay, vector C minus vector A. Okay, that means this vector is vector C plus vector A, and this AC vector equal to what? Vector C minus vector A. अब हमें आगुरु भी पढ़ी छे कोन जे गोटे पैरेललोग्राम जदी होबो. ओके, सपोज दिस इज A B C D, ताहले ये जदी वेक्टर A एंड दिस इज वेक्टर B, ताहले गोटे डायगोनल वेक्टर A प्लस वेक्टर B होबो, अब आरो डायगोनल केते होबो? वेक्टर A माइनस वेक्टर B. ओके, ताहले एही केस रे भी कोन होइबो? That is गोटे डायगोनल केते हैला वेक्टर C plus वेक्टर A, आ गोटे डायगोनल केते हैला that is वेक्टर C minus वेक्टर A. now तो हम पाइले दिस इज इक्वेशन सेकंड, वेक्टर B equal to वेक्टर C plus वेक्टर A and वेक्टर B equal to वेक्टर C minus वेक्टर A. तो इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड रो हमें पाइबा कोन जे वेक्टर C plus वेक्टर A equal to वेक्टर C minus वेक्टर A. From equation first and second we get what? Vector C plus vector A equal to vector C minus vector A. From equation first and second, vector C plus vector A equal to vector C minus vector A. Okay, if the two vectors are equal, then their magnitude is also same, so implies that magnitude of vector C plus vector A is equal to magnitude of vector C minus vector A. If their magnitude is same, then their square is also same. Okay, that means आमे याकु लिखि परबा कोन, that is vector C plus vector A dot vector C plus vector A. Okay, and equal to ये is केते vector C minus vector A dot vector C minus vector A. Okay, that means कोन हमें, that is magnitude of vector A square को हमें लिखि परबा कोन vector A dot vector A. Okay, ताहले vector C plus vector A रो magnitude of whole square केते हिबो, that is vector C plus vector A dot vector C plus vector A. और वेक्टर c माइनस वेक्टर ए रो मैग्नीट्यूड होल स्क्वायर केते हे जीवो वेक्टर c माइनस वेक्टर a डॉट वेक्टर c माइनस वेक्टर a now implies that this is equal to what vector c dot vector c dot product is distributive over vector addition okay dot product is distributive over vector addition তাহলে vector c dot vector c plus vector c dot vector a okay plus vector a dot vector c plus vector a dot vector a okay equal to that is vector c dot vector c minus vector c dot vector a minus vector a dot vector c minus minus plus vector a dot vector a okay now come to the point vector a dot vector a and right hand side vector a dot vector a cancel okay now that is vector c dot vector c and right hand side vector c dot vector c is also cancel okay তাহলে রহিলা কেতে लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे c dot vector c dot vector a plus vector a dot vector c को हम लिखि परबा कोन vector c dot vector a this is equal to what this is equal to implies that vector c dot vector a plus a dot c को हम लिखि परबा कोन vector c dot vector a ओके राइट हैंड साइड रे माइनस c डॉट a अछि लेफ्ट साइड आसले केते हबो दैट इज वेक्टर c डॉट वेक्टर a प्लस एटा माइनस a डॉट c अछि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे आसले डॉट प्रोडक्ट कम माने कम्यूटेटिव सो ये हो केते प्लस वेक्टर c डॉट वेक्टर a इक्वल हो गेला केते 0 ओके सो नाउ ये केते हो दैट इज 4 into vector c dot vector a implies that 4 into vector c dot vector a equal to 0 और implies that हमें पाएगा कितने vector c dot vector a equal to 0 ओके तो हमें पाइले कौन vector c dot vector a equal to 0 और implies that vector c को हमें कौन लिखि पारबा that is oc vector dot vector a को हमें लिखि पारबा कौन oa vector so that oc vector dot oa vector equal to 0 that means what that means OC vector is perpendicular to OA vector okay OC vector is perpendicular to OA vector so ଆମର confusion कोन हबो therefore OABC is a rectangle okay therefore OABC is a rectangle okay this is question number triple I now move to question number IV question number IV कहछि कोन जे the diagonals of a rhombus are at right angle okay so diagonals of a rhombus I will be kono the diagonals of a rhombus the diagonals of a rhombus are at right angle okay are at right angle the diagonals of a rhombus are at right angle okay now हमको प्रूफ करबार कोन अछि जे गोटे रॉम्बस रो डायगोनल गुडा को राइट एंगल हेबे दैट मींस रॉम्बस रो डायगोनल ता कोन हबो सब बेले परपेंडिकुलर हबो एटा हमको प्रूफ करबार अछि तो फर्स्ट आम गोटे रंबस नहीं जीवा रंबस रो चारोटी साइड्स कोन हबो सेम हबो ओके दिस इज ए rhombus okay now let it is origin it is A B and it is C and let O is the origin that is A ro position vector with respect to origin that is vector A and this is what vector B okay and this is vector C okay now rhombus ro opposite sides गुडा कोन same direction हेबे so here this is OB and this is AC okay we need to prove here what OB vector dot AC vector equal to 0 okay OB vector dot AC vector equal to 0 ताहले हमें कहि परिबा कोन जे एही rhombus रो डायगोनल ता कोन राइट एंगल हैला दैट मींस दे आर परपेंडिकुलर ओके नाउ लिखि दवा कोन हमें एटी OABC इज ए rhombus ओके OABC इज ए rhombus okay OABC is a rhombus let O is the origin let O is the origin okay then vector A vector B and vector C are the position vector of ABC okay as a position vector of ABC we have proved OB vector is perpendicular to what AC vector we have to prove OB vector is perpendicular to what AC vector now अच्छा ये जदि गोटे rhombus ताहले हम लिखि पारबा कोन OA vector equal to what CB vector okay OA vector equal to CB vector or implies that vector A equal to CB vector that is vector B minus vector C okay or implies that vector B equal to is kete vector C plus vector A let it is equation first हमें पाइले कोन vector B equal to vector C plus vector A now तो हमें परपेंडिकुलर प्रूफ करिवार अछि को वेक्टर दैट इज OB वेक्टर और AC वेक्टर परपेंडिकुलर दैट मींस दे आर द टू डायगोनल्स ओके सो डायरेक्ट हमें बाहर करबा कोन OB वेक्टर डॉट AC वेक्टर हमको OB वेक्टर डॉट AC वेक्टर 0 दरकार ताहले हमें कहि परबा कोन OB वेक्टर इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AC वेक्टर इक्वल टू OB वेक्टर माने कोन दैट इज वेक्टर B dot AC vector that means कोन that is vector C minus vector A okay और vector B जाले मु लिखि पारबे केते vector C plus vector A एटा हम पाइ छै इक्वेशन फर्स्ट okay that is vector C plus vector A dot vector C minus vector A since vector B equal to what vector C plus vector A okay now equal to dot product distributive over vector addition ताहले केते हिबो vector C dot vector C minus vector C dot vector A plus vector A dot vector C minus vector A dot vector A okay that is equal to एठी हम लिखि दबा कोन dot product is distributive over vector addition this is equal to magnitude of vector 0 square minus ए जो केते वेक्टर सी डॉट वेक्टर ए और प्लस ए डॉट सी को हम लिखि पारबा केते वेक्टर सी डॉट वेक्टर ए माइनस मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर ए रो स्क्वायर. ओके एंड दिस इज माइनस दिस इज प्लस सो कैंसिल. तो रहिला केते मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर सी रो स्क्वायर माइनस मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर ए रो स्क्वायर. ओके तो हम को लिखि पारबा केते सिंस जेहेतु ये गोटे रम्बस ओके ताहले ओसी रो मैग्नीट्यूड और ओ रो मैग्नीट्यूड कोन हबो समान हबो. ओसी रो मैग्नीट्यूड इक्वल टू ओ रो मैग्नीट्यूड सहित कोन हबो समान हबो. दैट implies that what ओसी रो मैग्नीट्यूड that means वेक्टर सी रो मैग्नीट्यूड ओ रो मैग्नीट्यूड means what वेक्टर ए रो मैग्नीट्यूड. ताहले आमे लिखि परिबा वेक्टर सी जगह रे हमें केते लिखि परिबा दैट इज वेक्टर ए रो मैग्नीट्यूड लिखि परिबा. तो ये हिजो केते मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए रो स्क्वायर माइनस मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर ए रो स्क्वायर दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 0. ओके तो हमें पाइले केते ओबी वेक्टर डॉट एसी वेक्टर इक्वल टू हमें पाइले केते 0. ओके हमें पाइले ओबी वेक्टर डॉट एसी वेक्टर इक्वल टू पाइले केते 0 और इंप्लाइज दैट हम कहि परिबा ओबी वेक्टर इज परपेंडिकुलर टू एसी वेक्टर. ओके ओबी वेक्टर इज परपेंडिकुलर टू एसी वेक्टर that means they makes an angle what 90 degree. Okay so हमें लिखि देबा कोन therefore the diagonals of a rhombus are at right angles. Okay so this is question number 10 triple I and IV. Okay in the next class we continue from question number okay VI. Okay so till that take care. Thanks to all of you.